Good morning, Michael Masserang here again, and today I'm in an encapsulated crawl space. It is late January in 2025, and you can see here this dehumidifier is running. Relative humidity is 38%. There's absolutely no reason for this dehumidifier to be running today, and so we're going to adjust this up to 68% relative. Might even be able to take it to 72, but there's no reason for this dehumidifier to be running. It's a encapsulated crawl space, and this company that was hired to do this didn't even trouble themselves to get rid of the mold, as you'll see here. Whenever you do an encapsulation, you should have industrial mold cleaning as part of that service. So be careful about the encapsulation companies that you hire. So again, now I've got the wood moisture reader out, and you can see here there's hardly any moisture in this crawl space, so there's no need for this commercial dehumidifier to be running right now. So I've adjusted the setting to 68% relative. Could probably even be just completely shut off, but we want to at least have some protection in here. And it's one of the biggest things I see. Never have your dehumidifier running this dry. At 50% relative is where it was set. So one of the biggest fallacies in the encapsulation business that you have to run these dehus at 50% relative. No, you don't. 68%, even 72 might be good enough depending on the situation. So if you have any questions, give me a call at the number at the bottom of your screen, and we can talk more about crawl spaces, encapsulations, and vapor barriers, dehumidifiers, controlled ventilation systems.